Hello everyone, welcome to Travits. Today we're going to make some idlis. Grease your idli plates slightly with oil and add the batter. You can see that I've already done that. And place the plates into the steamer. So we want to steam the idli for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium heat. Now if you're using a pressure cooker, I would recommend you not to use the whistle. Yeah. So the next thing what we want to do is once it's kind of about 10 to 12 minutes, I want you to check it. You can use a spoon or a toothpick just to see if the idlis are ready or not. Yeah. So you can see that that the idlis are kind of maybe another 2 more minutes. Yeah. So look at that. It looks really nice. It looks soft and fluffy. So now we're going to try and remove them. We want to plate them. So for that, I would recommend you using a spoon with maybe a glass of water, and try and remove the idlis really carefully. So and look at the idlis, how soft and fluffy they are. Right. So serve these warm delicious idlis with either coconut chutney or sambar, and that makes a delicious South Indian breakfast combo. Yeah, look at the idli. It's so fluffy. It's really soft, and yeah, it takes some time to actually get used to it. It's okay even if it breaks. It's not a problem. Yeah. Right. So you try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travits. And if you need more delicious recipes, do let us know. See you in the next video.